Peace, y'all. It's Sunday evening. Church is just getting started, so I don't have a lot of time. I got to run in and do evening church. Sherry cooked me some dinner, just washed the hands. Me and Rich and Kenny been out here in the driveway. We had the pop-up in and out the driveway here, back and forth. And out here had the welder and everything out here, cutting all the tubing up yesterday. All the pieces of flat stock. All the tubes getting everything ready to go, and then today laying it out and using the angles, the 90-degree angles, and vice grip clamps, clamping it in place. Richie tacking and welding stuff together, and then I'm taking them and drilling the holes and all that. I made little axle shafts for the wheels to go on, just like this one here. Little snap ring on there, holding it on, a couple washers and a snap ring. I wanted black wheels. They didn't have any black wheels at Harbor Freight, so we got gold instead. There was a whole extra $1 for that. I think 99 cents. I think for the gold. So yeah, we don't have the front on yet because we have to determine. Richie, like I said, Richie wants his a little lower than that one there. And if you see what we got going on here. Once you get the caster and all this stuff, that's why we put this all together in one unit, right? You got a height from the ground or from the floor, the bottom of the tire to the top of this tube. So once you set, your gap here, say if you want it like that, you got to block this part of it here up, right? Put something across here with a bubble level on it, get it level. Right, and then you put the same thing down here on the axle, and then prop it up here until it's level, and then you transfer a mark. So you're gonna have a nice angle. We're gonna have to cut the bottom of these tubes here on an angle at the height that you want to go ahead and weld that tube on. And of course, the angled tube is going to be wider than the 1-inch tube, right? So. We're ready for that. We can actually, you see what I did there is I cut a notch in it and welded it right down the side too. So we'll do the same thing. All we need to do is get the angle level with the top at the height that Richie wants it or I want it, and then it doesn't matter where that level line is. You can transfer it anywhere up and down those legs. You just want to make sure that it isn't cattywampus, right? So. We ran out of MIG wire, so we were MIG welding it. We ran out of wire, so tomorrow I'll go up and grab some more wire and mess around over at his house a little bit, getting the OTS car. I might just flip it over and hit the bottom, clean the bottom of it up real quick myself, so we can put the floor tray back on it. Start getting it ready to come over here on the new stand, and we're gonna get this one ready for Gingerman and that other one ready for Grattan in October. Who knows? I mean, I could throw that thing together literally and take it to Gingerman and shake it down, run it and practice a little bit, shake it down. Who knows? But we'll see. We'll just see how it goes. We're really just planning on getting this one there. And if we get anything else, it's just a bonus. So that's it for 8 August. We'll bring you back when these things are all done and show you what we got going on. But other than that, it was a warm one. 90 degrees now, but it was a bit warmer than that out here this afternoon. So everybody feeling it. Ace, I'm sure Lance and Indy, Johnny in Chicago. The weather in Chicago is almost the same weather here. Rich Sheedlack looking in, all the guys. Ben out in Arizona. It's always hot out there. Just playing around, trying to get some rolling stands going so we can move stuff around a little easier as we get older. The back, right? God bless, Godspeed, y'all. Hang out. We'll bring you some more tomorrow.